Well, this is a SNRE MPPT solar charge controller. You can see it's a little busted. This is the MC2420N15. It's a 2019 model. I had this in my boat, and over the winter it's quit working. I took out the screws in the back, hoping to open it up, but I found a surprise inside. That comes off. It's potted, this thing. So if you ever want to take it apart, you've got to cut it, and you got to watch out for these caps and that whatever that thing is. Anyways, the problem with mine are these two fuses have blown here. Had I known that before I tried to get it apart, I couldn't find the fuses. Had I known that, I would have just drilled a hole here, right above where it says solar charger in the white case, and that would allow you to get down and test the fuses. But to unsolder them, you've got to get to the back here, which is screwed on. So that means taking it all apart and getting rid of this potting material. Anyways, hopefully that'll help somebody. I was looking on YouTube for some type of solution, and yeah, this is what I've come up with. SNRE solar charge controller, and the model is MC2420N15. Worked great until it got a little damp. I got a little dampness there. It got dripped on inside my boat over the winter, and it's blown those fuses. If somebody leaves a question or asks a question in the comments about whether it works when I change these, I'll answer you. I'm not going to put up a follow-up video. Thanks for watching.